Hi everyone, my name is Kyle Nee and I'll be teaching the section of Honors Calculus 2 for the spring semester. Now, in Honors Calculus 2, we're going to be taking a look at a lot of the ideas that we dealt with in a Calculus 1 class and beginning to build upon them. Most notably, we'll talk about the concepts of integration and exactly how can we kind of begin to apply integration and use it to answer a lot of various different questions and applications. Some of these will be just more mathematical in nature, some will relate to areas like physics, and we'll also talk a little bit about areas of computer science. To help kind of bridge this gap, we'll talk about the ideas of sequences and series, which is everybody's favorite part of a Calculus 2 course. It seems kind of like an off-topic sort of set of ideas, but they're actually very, very interesting concepts that show us this kind of strange connection between large lists of numbers, infinite addition problems, and the ideas of integration. We'll also take a look at how we can use calculus in other sorts of graphing systems, whether we're dealing with parametric equations or polar curves and polar coordinates. And this will serve as a great kind of stepping stone for those of you that might be moving on to a Calculus 3 course later, where these sorts of graphing systems are going to be used very, very heavily to help tackle the world of three dimensions. Now, in terms of what this class is going to look like day to day, I'm going to actually have YouTube lectures, so you'll be able to go ahead and watch each section's kind of topics being discussed in a YouTube video by me. There'll be weekly homework assignments, and these will consist roughly 5 to 10 problems that you'll be asked to kind of go through to demonstrate your understanding of what we've been working on throughout the previous week. And I'll of course be available all the while through online office hours, both with video, with audio, with just chatting if necessary. So that way you can go ahead and get your questions answered and even try to collaborate a bit together on any of the questions that you might have. So Calculus 2 is a really, really great class. It gives us the opportunity to start to kind of dig into more of these ideas of how do we actually prove things? How do we actually show that different things are true mathematically? And it's one of my favorite classes because we actually get to see a lot of very counterintuitive and surprising ideas actually come about. So I really hope that you'll choose to enroll in the course, and hopefully I'll see you for the spring semester.